Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed classification of animals. Today, we are discussing about classification of plants. Classification of plants. Okay, children. In plants are the living organisms present in our surroundings. In plants, some plants are very tall, some plants are very small or minute in size. Okay. So, based on the flowers and seeds, plants are categorized into two types. They are, first one is non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are also known as cryptogams. Non-flowering plants are also known as cryptogams. Non-flowering plants does not bear seeds, or these plants does not produce flowers and seeds. And the second type of plants are flowering plants. These plants produce flowers and seeds. Flowering plants produce flowers and seeds. So, flowering plants are also known as phanerogams. Flowering plants are also known as flowering plants. So, based on the flowers and seeds, plants are categorized into two types. They are, first one is non-flowering plants or cryptogams. Non-flowering plants does not contain flowers and seeds. Non-flowering plants do not produce any flowers and seeds. Okay. And the second variety of plants are known as flowering plants. These plants are again also called phanerogams. These flowering plants produce flowers and seeds. Okay, children. First of all, non-flowering plants. Okay, children. Non-flowering plants does not produce flowers and seeds. So, these plants are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are also known as cryptogams. Non-flowering plants again classified into three types. They are, first one is Dhalophyta. Second one is Bryophyta. Third one is Pteridophyta. Non-flowering plants does not produce flowers and seeds. Non-flowering plants are also known as cryptogams. Cryptogams again classified into three types. They are Dallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Okay children, Dallophyta plants does not differentiate into plant body like leaves, stem, roots, etc. ఈ Dallophyta plants కనుక మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ Dallophyta ప్లాంట్స్లో లీవ్స్ అని, స్టెమ్ అని, రూట్స్ అని ఎటువంటి ప్లాంట్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్లో డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అనేది ఉండదు. సో Dallophyta is again classified into algae and fungi. Algae and fungi. Dallophyta plants does not differentiate into any plant body like leaves, stem, roots. Okay. Dallophyta is again classified into two types. They are algae and fungi. What are the examples of algae? Chara and Spirogyra are the examples of algae. They are grow in stagnated water in the ponds, tanks, tubs, etc. and any wet places. And fungi are grown in the decomposed or damped places, rotted vegetable peels and fruit fields, and wet wooden planks and field bunds. The examples of fungi are mushroom, bread mold, etc. And second variety is Bryophyta. Bryophyta plants differentiate into plant body like root, stem, leaves, etc. అంటే ఈ Bryophyta ప్లాంట్స్ కనుక మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ప్లాంట్ బాడీలో డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. లీవ్స్ ఉంటాయి, రూట్ ఉంటుంది, స్టెమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ is Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta plants are also contain different parts of the plant body. They produce seed-like structures, but these are not real seeds. They are known as spores. So, Pteridophytas are the plants. In Pteridophyta, fern plant is the example of Pteridophyta. Moss plant is the example of Bryophyta. Example is moss plant. And the example of Pteridophyta is fern plant. These are the examples of Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Dallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta are the plant groups present in the non-flowering plants. Dallophyta plants does not contain any different parts of the plant body, but Bryophyta and Pteridophyta plants contain different parts of the plant body like leaves, stem, root, etc. Okay, Dallophyta is again classified into two types, algae and fungi. Algae are generally grows in water. Fungi, these are the saprophytic plants. They are generally grow in the damped places of the any decomposed plant and animal bodies. Okay, so this is the non-flowering plants. Okay children, in next class we will continue the classification of flowering plants. Okay, thank you children.